Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to use Todoist. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website and go ahead and create a new account if you do not already have one. After creating an account guys and logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see where at the main center of the page you have all the tasks that you have scheduled for today. And if you look at the left side of the screen guys, here you will have multiple options that you will be able to use to edit and see your tasks, such as seeing your inbox, seeing your upcoming tasks, you can sort your projects and create projects if you want, and so on. So guys, you can see the main point of Todoist is to create tasks that you're going to be able to follow along and see what task you have did and how much. So guys, you can see at the center page here I have some basic tasks that you will have as well when you make your account. These are just a tutorial tasks. But guys, let's say that we want to go ahead and create our first task. How do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy, and all you have to do is go ahead and click the add task button right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that task guys, and as you can see now we can go ahead and create a new task. So I'm going to go ahead and call it YouTube tutorial guys. So as you can see, YouTube tutorial description is something creating a video. And as you can see guys, now we have given the name and description of our task, and now we can successfully click the add task button right here. You can set it if you want the due date or if you want priority and so on. I'm just going to go ahead and click on add task. And as you can see, now we have successfully added the task right here to our task. So let's go ahead and edit our task by going ahead and clicking on the task right here. And as you can see, now this will open up this new window where you will be able to edit your task. Let's say we want to change the due date. We can go ahead and click on here, and now we can go ahead and change the due date for any date that we want. Let's say that we want it for tomorrow. And as you can see, we can change the priority and so on. We can give it labels and so on. After you're finished guys with editing your task, just go ahead and exit out. And as you can see, I can no longer see my task right here guys. And that is because I'm viewing my task for today, the 4th of April. So what you want to do is go ahead right here at the left side of the screen and click on upcoming. And as you can see, if you click on upcoming, you can see for tomorrow right here, we can see that now we have the task create YouTube tutorial creating a video. So guys, those are some basics that you can use for creating your task. You can go ahead, get started and finding out stuff for your own on the website. But yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.